Hello, this is Ray Davis with Fast Car Decals again. I've already striped this car up, but it's one of my favorite kits. It really jazzes up the Dodge Charger. It's a 2018 Dodge Charger. This kit will fit a 2015 through 2018. And I like the hood stripe. It's got Charger written on it, but if you get the RT edition, it'll say Charger RT on the hood, which is really nice. This particular car is for sale. It's at John Jones, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram in Corydon, Indiana. I'll leave a link to them, but they're a fine company. They sell a lot of cars and they're good people, so I would highly recommend them. But this particular car has got what's called the, let me give you a side shot here. This is a pretty nice stripe right here. Like I said, I can get that with the RT, Charger RT on the back. It's a real simple kit to install. Let me take it around to the other side. They call this the charging kit. Like I said, this one's for the 15 through 18, but we also have them for those that are earlier than that. And they're real easy to put on. They're simple. They're kind of a knockoff of the Daytona stripe, and they're real easy. One tip that I have done over the past that's made this installation easy is around the gas cap. Sometimes that can be tricky. The old days we had to cut around there, but if you take your knife and I'll try to, if you can see me in here, but I'll put it in there along the edge, and I'll run that sharp edge right around the sides. And what that does is it gives a nice cut. And then do the same thing on this side. Nice little cut with your knife. Nice sharp blade is always best. Pop open that gas cap and roll it in nice and clean. Now, when you clean it, you want to make sure that you have cleaned all the debris and any junk that's in there, and then just roll it right in there. It stays. I've never had a problem in that area. So if you clean it right, it will definitely go in. So that's a kind of a tip. Don't let that gas cap intimidate you. Same way with the door handles, or the door post right here. I take that knife and I just lay it at an angle and slide it down, and the sharpness of that knife will cut that vinyl. Open that door, roll that in. Again, make sure it's cleaned real properly. And when I have an upcoming video on some do's and don'ts of cleaning, and we'll be doing that here soon. As far as tips on the hood, there's a couple different ways of doing the hood. I like to bring it all the way back to the edge. You could bring it back to here, which is no problem, but I found that it looks better that way to me. And when we go installing, this is the Avery Supreme Wrap dry install, matte black, and it's a pretty straightforward kit. It follows the body lines. And in the upcoming videos, I'll show you, particularly with this car, how to install these all these graphics. So, but I just wanted you to see this kit. It's an excellent kit. It's been a good seller for many years, and now you know how to install it. So, thank you for watching this video. Please like it and share it and subscribe to it. I sure appreciate it. Again, this is Ray Davis. I'm with Fast Car Decals, and we appreciate your support. Have a great day.